What is going on, everybody? My name is Fitz and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to drain your water fuel separator on a 7.3 IDI. Now this is a 92 non-turbo. Let's get right into today's video. Last night I was going to start it and I got water in fuel light. It'll pop up right here and it just wasn't starting like it should. Now this light hadn't come up before. Not sure when's the last time this has been done, so chances are it needs to be done. Let me show you guys. Step one, we're going to be opening up the hood. Step two, you're going to want to find your fuel filter. So for this motor, my fuel filter is right here on top of the motor. This actually doubles as the fuel filter and the water separator. The way to think of this little unit is like an oil catch can except for water. On the bottom of this fuel filter slash water separator, there's actually a little knob. If you feel it, it feels like the side of a coin. It's what you're going to turn to open this little drain. Through here, I like popping off this little drain wire right here so it makes it easier to turn the actual little knob. In my case, this little knob under here is really tight, so I'm just taking a second, get it loose with these channel locks. Now we're gonna go ahead and continue loosening this, and you'll know when it loosens up, that'll be plenty. Next, we're gonna be putting this little drain extension back onto the bottom of the filter. We are putting a bottle over the bottom of this drain line to catch all the draining fuel water mix. We're getting ready to start this thing, so go ahead and cycle your glow plugs a couple times. You guys know the deal. And when you're ready, go ahead and turn it over. You guys are actually going to want to turn the truck on before opening this because I was realizing it was just dumping fuel into this. So we're going to go ahead and get it started, then open the valve and let it filter through. Now that it's on, we're going to go ahead and let it drain into our catch can, our little Arizona cup, for a minute or two max. We're going to cut it off and we should be good. Been about a minute or two, should be good to go ahead and turn it off. Let's look at this bottle. Let's look at whether this is fuel or water or what. All right, so diesel fuel is supposed to be majorly clear and if anything, tinted green. Now you guys can see at the top of this bottle, there's definitely a green tint to it. At the bottom, murky, watery mud and goop. I might do this one or more times to see if it comes out clear or not. I just wanted to show you guys the process of doing this. This is going to be our first start after draining the fuel and water filter. I'm interested to see if it's going to be better or not. It definitely had a little hard start this morning as well as last night. I mean, over the last week or so as well. Dude, night and day difference. Night and day difference. So took a second, but definitely a lot smoother, a lot healthier than before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something today. Good luck starting your old grumpy diesels. This has been Fitz and Moons the Truck, back here with another video. We'll see you guys in the next one.